Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be talking about how much money I make as a freelancer. Yes, so if you're wondering why I'm wearing warm clothes, and you may have noticed I was wearing warm clothes in my previous video. Oh, I didn't connect my mic. Hold on. Let's use the mic for better audio quality. And so you don't hear the roosters. You hear the rooster a while ago? What's the rooster? Alright, so what was I saying? Alright, let me start over. So I'm a part-time freelancer. I have a traditional job. My traditional job is flexible in terms of my work hours. I don't have set work hours, meaning I don't have to go to work 9 to 5. I have a minimum amount of calls that I'm supposed to make per day, and I do a report bi-monthly. So I just need to get my work done. So I get to choose how I work. I don't work in an office. I work across 4 parishes, so I'm always on the road. So I have time to squeeze in freelance writing into my schedule, and I will do it in the mornings, at night, on the weekend. There are also some days that I may get off work early. There are days when my days just go really well and I get to make a lot of calls and I can take the next day off unofficially. Yes, but we're here to talk about my freelance writing income. So I did say that I would share it with you guys. So today I am going to share my earnings for Q1 of 2020. Alright, so I've started recording my screen. So to the left here you can see my total earnings, total jobs, total hours, and this is over the lifetime of my account. So what I'm gonna show you is, and guys, this is going to be a surprise to me because I have no idea what, I don't run these reports myself for any reason. I typically just go in here, go overview to see how much I'm at the current billing period, or when it's time for me to make a withdrawal, I go in there and I just go overview and then I just withdraw. So this is going, I feel like I didn't do so well Q1 of 2020. I can't remember having a high workload or not choosing to be doing a lot of work, but we'll see. Right, so this is a November 2nd to November 6th. We're not looking at that. Let us change. Let's do a custom date range, and I want January 1st to January, February, March 31st. There it is. So we're looking for March 31st, and like I said, I have never generated a report like this before, so this is gonna be a surprise to me. So let's see how much money I made for the period of January 1st 2020 to March 31st 2020, and this will be my earnings through Upwork. I do have one client that I do not get paid through Upwork. Maybe at that time I had more than one, I'm not sure. But I have another client that I just remembered about. I'm not sure if I was doing any work for that client during that period, but anyhow, let's go. Alright, so this is going to show, okay, it's showing daily payments. So January 2nd, January 3rd, January 6th, January 7th, January 8th. All right, so it's showing daily payments that were made into my account. This long, so. All right, guys, look here. Wow. So all right, so of all my hourly contracts, it is saying that I did 21 hours and 40, what would this be, minutes? So 21 hours 40 minutes. This amount is not for the 21 hours, because this includes fixed price payments as well. So you can notice this says fixed price payment right here. Let me see if I can find an hourly one for you. Okay, so apparently the hourly ones just have a little dash right here, and you see the hours right here. So yeah, so let's work this out and see what this comes down to. So we have 2254.17, and this is US dollars, and we want to divide this by 3, right? So my average per month for Q1 of 2020 on Upwork was $751.39. Let us go and see what the Scotiabank exchange rate for today is. Of course, it's not going to be the same rate because this was months ago, but we're just going to use the rate for today to see what that averages out to be per month in Jamaican dollars. All right, so cash is 124.89. So I would actually get the check rate because the money is deposited into my account. So I would get the US dollars are deposited into my account. So I don't get the cash rate. I was going to point at the screen and you wouldn't be able to see that, but you can see my mouse. All right, so 138.44. 138.44. Wow. So, as I said, the exchange rate back then would have been different than it is now. But if I am making $751.39 per month from Upwork, and was this total before or after the fees? I think this may have been before the fees. Oh guys, you see this refund here? Story time. So this client had stories. They write, it's not really stories, it's like a storyline they make YouTube animated videos. So they wanted somebody to write, the word is evading me now. I'll find the word and put it on the screen, but it's like a storyline, but what you call that? Whatever. They wanted that. So the person that interviewed me, she asked me to do a sample. I did my sample. She liked it. She hired me. And then once she hired me, I guess that was her job, was to screen and hire. So once I started working with them, then I was working beneath somebody else, not her. So I did my first story, send them the storyline, storyboard, whatever. Welcome to them rooster here. So I did my first story. Rooster again. So I did my first story and sent it to them, and the person replied and said, "What is this? This is not the type of story that we agreed to." And I just have to put them in them place and say, first of all, I have never spoken to you my entire life. The person that I was speaking to before was XYZ, and I did do a sample. She did check it, and I think somebody else checked it as well. It was reviewed by 2 people, and they had agreed that this is the type of writing they were looking for. So me just nip it in the bud right there, because one thing I realize with clients, when you just start out with a client and them being difficult right off the bat, don't go any further with them. When you pick up a particular attitude, don't go any further with them, because it's gonna spell trouble, and it's going to spell disputes, and it's going to spell bad review. I'm not interested in none of that. And I am at the point in my freelance career where I am not afraid to tell them that, listen, you know what, I'm gonna release this money from escrow and you can find yourself another freelancer. So this is what happened here. So that amount was in escrow for me to start the story, and then once I finished it, I would have received my full payment and would have started over the process. I don't remember how often they wanted these stories, but it was a nice gig. It would have been a nice gig, but anyhow, that never worked. So that's why you're seeing this refund here. All right, what was I doing before I was trying to see if the fees. So the fees are not in this, and then the fees are different per client. I have a client that this particular, after you've been working with a client for a while, your fees get reduced. All right, so this particular client right here, creative content creator for construction. This client, I've been with this client for a while, so I believe, yeah, they are a 10% rate. This client, I've had them for a while, they're at 10%, and this client I think minus 20%. So that would have been $83,217.94 for the month. That is not bad. That is very good. That can go a long way. Now ask me what I'm on here, because I don't remember making it. In my last most recent months, I know that I've been doing more work because of some things that I want to do. So I've been putting in more hours, so I know that it's going to be more than this. So if you liked this video and you would like to see more income report videos, please like the video and comment down below. Tell me that you like it and you'd like to see more of them, and I'll probably do one at least once a month. I guess I can do one. Well, for now I did Q1 of 2020, so then I can do Q2, Q3, and then I can probably do monthly reports after that. And this is a way to motivate you, because you can see the money right this up, and you see the money right there, you see the money right here, see it there. I did not make this up. You can see my laptop screen, you can see it right there. So let this be your motivation. Have you signed up at any other websites down below? Have you applied to any jobs? Has anybody responded to any of your applications? Comment down below and let me know what's going on for you. I'm gonna include my email address if you'd like to ask me something and you don't want to ask it for everybody to see. You can shoot me an email as well. But yep, that's it guys. That's it for this video for Q1 2020 Q1. I made approximately 83,000 Jamaican dollars per month working part-time. That's less than 20 hours. I'm pretty sure it's less than 20 hours per week I was working at the time, and I was able to earn 83,000 Jamaican dollars. Let me go back into the history so that if there's anybody that's watching that's not Jamaican, you get January to March of 2020, I made on average $751 as a freelance writer working through the Upwork platform. All right guys, thank you so much for spending this time with me, and you will see me in the next one. Bye.